Angela Hunter. I'm a plant engineer here at Plain Elementary, and I'm happy to be here. I've been here 5 summers. This will be my 6th year. A plant manager is over the cleaning and the safety of the building.
Making sure that the doors are all latching right.
I make sure it's secure. I love doing it. Anytime they call me to go to another school when they're short or whatever, I'm happy to do it. I love what I do. I enjoy making sure that everything's clean. The children and the staff. I love to make sure that it's nice and clean and safe for them each day. Each morning till each evening, when we open the building till we close the building, that our whole goal is that we keep it clean and safe and ready for them to learn each day. And I take it really serious. I want my building to look really wonderful. I want it really, really clean, and I want to make sure it's as safe as possible every day.